we make the letter Y now. Here we're going to fold it. Okay, it's folded like this. And then we are going wrapper by here. Wrapper. Fold it like a V. Okay. Then let's fold it here. This way. Then bend it. Or we can make a little bit loop at the end here. Okay, so this is the piece of the letter Y that we make. Make this letter Y. Then we make the little Y here. Little Y is bend this way. And fold it. And we bend it to the front here. Okay. Then let's go bend it. Okay. So here the little Y and the big Y. I use 0.8, dear. I used 0.8 to make it. Here, then let's try it one more time. Here. Okay. Good morning, Southern Crabber. Happy to see you. Okay. We are bend a shape. We use the wire 0.8 to make this one. Here. This. And I'm trying to fold it here like this. This is the way here. And then we bend it here. Okay. Then bend here. And we fold it here. Why this one? Then the little Y, make the little Y okay. After we bend here, then we can fold the loop. Go front here. So here the wire that we make. Okay, let's try here. YONNIE. Let's try it. We are a channel shows you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. We are not sell the ready-made. We are just shows you the tutorial that's how to making the jewelry. Okay. This. Then the way here and the fold and the fold here. Okay, here this way. YO. So we'll bend it up here. Y. Okay. O is this way. We go to bend to fold it. Okay. Tight here. And here we'll go bend to the front. Tight here. O. YO. Should be N. I wrap up 2O. Okay. So I continue. Forgot. YOO. So it's double YONNIE. Okay, so it should be 1O and I repeat 2O here. Then let's here we go. And then let's fold it and fold it to the front, to top. YONNIE. Here. YONNIE. Okay, I should make it. It's so strange. 看起来好奇怪。Unboxing day. Here. I going to remake a piece. Yes, it looks so strange when I see the letter. Okay, bend it around, fold a loop here, then we should fold it to the front. Okay, it's this way, wrap up, and fold it here, then bend it. Here, then I'm going to fold it back this way. Okay, Y, and then O. Let's make the O. Y, O. Here. N, N, N. Okay. N, Y, O, N, N, and I. Let me see. Let's see how to make it. We go to use it to make the way here. It need a very small loop. Y, O, N, N. Is it have I or no I? Y, O, N, N. Wonderful order. Thank you. Oh, Y, O, N, N, I, E. I. Okay, it's almost finished. I then E. Okay, YONNIE. Okay, finish. Finally finish. Here. Then we make the little heart at the end. Okay. Good. So finish. Done. Thank you. Okay, here. Finish this one. The YO and so we can make it. I think this kind of the Y is better. Hidden the wire on the back, but not make a loop. Yeah, here. This one. Here. Hi, what material is the wire? Hello, Francisco. The material is the copper wire. Is that a soft copper wire, non-tannish? It's not a sterling silver. It's copper wire here. Okay. Here then from the side, from the back, here. This. Okay. So today we just finished the wire wrapper, the names.